ammunition. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition, and we'll all stay free.
Hi friends, this is FirearmPop, and I'm a little disturbed this morning. I have just been denied my First Amendment rights. My First Amendment rights. It's the first time I've ever been denied my ability to free speech, and I'm going to tell you how that was done, and it's quite insulting. I got up at 1:15 this morning to go to the Elephant Trunk Flea Market in New Milford, Connecticut. I've been there before. I've sold there before. I sell remora holsters, easy to see targets, and I have an array of signs that are sold. And I believe the reason I was denied access this morning was because I have pro-Trump, anti-Hillary signs for sale. So I'm really upset. They have denied. I guess they got some people were offended by my signs that were for sale, so they have barred me from selling at that flea market. Yes, I cannot express my First Amendment rights, the free speech, at the Elephant Trunk Flea Market. So, if you're in the sound of my voice here in the New England area and you've attended the Elephant Trunk Flea Market, I tell you, don't go. I boycott them completely. I am going to spread this video as far as I can send it, and I'm going to post it on the Elephant Trunk's website. I've been denied my First Amendment rights. There's no reason that I couldn't sell remora holsters, easy to see targets, and signs, okay? Because they offended someone. If you agree with me, and if you'd like, please feel free to share this video to as many people as you can, because our First Amendment rights are being attacked by the pro-Hillary crowd. Our First Amendment rights are under attack, friends. So let's get out there, let's share this video, let the world know that there is a plot to silence the Trump movement. This is FirearmPop. I want you to go out there and support our law enforcement, support our military, be safe out there, and God bless you all.